So this is basically for the homework part, okay? Now, you have to watch these videos very carefully how these reactions are taking place. So the first reaction which is taking place is basically between the burning of sugar, okay? Now the burning of sugar which is taking place, the details are on page 165 of your book. This is how the experiment takes place. I have white sugar, regular sugar that you use at home, and we are heating it, and as you're heating it you can see that once we forward and it's going to start convey, so it's converting into first blackish, and then this is basically carbon and water, okay? So burning of sugar creates carbon and water, and you need to understand this very carefully, this experiment. You can watch the video as many times as you want, okay? So this is the burning of sugar. Moving to the second video, which is the magnesium burning in oxygen on page 165 of your book. This is the reaction basically when oxygen is going to react with magnesium. Now magnesium is a metal, okay? This is magnesium ribbon. It's a metal and a ribbon has been formed out of it. So you can see magnesium metal over here. This is enclosed in a glass flask, and now what we are doing is after we have burned the put the magnesium to fire, there is oxygen inside this bulb, okay, glass bulb, and now when you're going to place it in, let's see how the reaction takes place. See, it's a flashy reaction. Here we go. Now you can see it in slow motion as well, and if you look at it in slow motion, see, this is how the reaction takes place, and it is basically the reaction between metal, magnesium and oxygen, and this is the equation, word equation for that, okay? We've already done the word equation. 2 atoms of magnesium metal plus 1 molecule which contains 2 atoms of oxygen gives 2 molecules of the compound magnesium oxide. Now the third one is basically on page 166 of your book, and it is the sulfur and oxygen burning, okay? Burning of sulfur with oxygen. So sulfur basically burns in pure oxygen with a brilliant blue flame, and it produces what? It produces sulfur oxide, okay? Sulfur oxide. So this is sulfur, the yellow compound. This is oxygen enclosed in this flask, and this is heat. So we take the sulfur and we start heating sulfur, and basically sulfur burns with a blue flame probably, okay? Sulfur doesn't burn in the presence of oxygen. So we heated sulfur. Now after heating we are going to open this and place the sulfur in. So see, it's a blue flame, beautiful blue flame. The same picture, figure 8.14 on page 166 of your book. 166 of your book is shown. So this is the reaction of sulfur with oxygen, and it forms sulfur dioxide. Di means 2, so it is SO2. This is sulfur dioxide, blue flame, okay? Moving ahead, the next reaction is burning of natural gas. So basically burning of natural gas is methane. Methane is the natural gas, okay? And when you burn natural gas, this is what happens. With oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, methane burns, and this is how the atoms rearrange themselves, okay? Just observe very carefully. This is the model. So it forms 2 molecules, or 1 molecule basically of water, okay? Basically 2 molecules of water are being formed in the burning process. This is water and carbon dioxide when you burn methane, okay? This is called burning of natural gas, the stove. Moving on, this is how zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, okay? So when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, it produces hydrogen gas along with salt zinc sulfate. Okay? That's it for today.